Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello students, I welcome you to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today for our English class, we are going to continue our interesting lesson. A Triumph of Surgery Part 2 by James Herriot. Before I begin the second part, let me give you a small recap of our previous part. In the previous part, we read that Tricky is a pet dog of a wealthy rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She is too affectionate towards Tricky, so she pampers him a lot. She never refuses anything what Tricky asks for. And Tricky, on the other hand, is very fond of food, and so he keeps eating day in and day out without any control. And the Dr. Herriot, who is the veterinary doctor, is very worried when he sees Tricky, because Tricky has become too fat because of his overeating. Dr. Herriot is very worried that Tricky is going to fall seriously ill. He advises Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down on the food and keep him on a strict diet and give him plenty of exercises. Now Mrs. Pumphrey says that she will try to do it. But Mr. Herriot is sure that it is not going to happen, and definitely he will hear from Mrs. Pumphrey one day. One fine day, what Mr. Herriot expected happened. A call from Mrs. Pumphrey informs him that Tricky is very seriously ill. Now Mr. Herriot has made up his mind. He has made up his plan, and the best way to cure Tricky was to bring him away from Mrs. Pumphrey for some time. He hurries to Mrs. Pumphrey's house and informs her that Tricky is very seriously ill and he needs to be hospitalized for at least a fortnight, and he brings Tricky to his hospital. What is going to happen in Dr. Herriot's hospital, and how is Tricky going to recover from his illness? Let's continue. At the surgery, the household dogs surge around me. Now, the doctor has brought Tricky to his hospital. Here, the word surgery refers to the hospital of the doctor. The hospital of the doctor. Surgery refers to the hospital of Dr. Herriot. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. Surged means they were surrounding. Dr. Herriot. Because why? Because Mr. Herriot has brought Tricky in his hand. There is a new member who has come to the surgery, and so they were very much curious to know about Tricky. So they started surging around Dr. Herriot. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and put down, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. Tricky looked down because Tricky was very sick and he didn't have any interest in whatever was happening around him. So when he saw the noisy dogs, he didn't react at all. He didn't give any kind of a response to the dogs, and he had dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless. Motionless means without any movement. He had no movement. On the carpet. He just lay without moving on the carpet because he was very sick and tired. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. The other dogs, when Tricky was placed on the carpet, the other dogs came around him and started sniffing him. You know what is sniffing, children? Sniffing is the usual habit of a dog, isn't it? It will smell whatever you keep it in front of it, it will smell in a very noisy way. That is sniffing. Smelling in a very noisy way is sniffing, which is a habit of the dogs. So all the dogs surrounded Tricky and started sniffing. And after a few seconds, they decided that Tricky was an uninteresting object because Tricky was not responding at all to all the dogs. And they thought that this dog is not responding to us, he is not coming with us, so he is uninteresting. Let's leave him and go. And they ignored him. Ignored means they just left him there and went. I made up a bed for him in the warm loose box next to one where the other dogs slept. Now, Tricky was also given a bed next to all the other dogs. Now, Tricky is going to live along with the other dogs. Till now, he was used to living alone with Mrs. Pumphrey in all comforts. But now he is going to live along with many dogs at the hospital. Now, let's see how is Tricky going to mingle with all of them. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So, the doctor was observing him very closely, and the doctor for 2 days didn't give Tricky any food but gave him plenty of water. Gave him plenty of water, that is to keep him hydrated. The doctor knew that Tricky didn't need any food, he needed only water to keep him hydrated and to regain his energy. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. And the second day, Tricky started to show some interest in his surroundings. That is, he started looking around what was happening, what is the place he has come to, and who are these people and where am I. Tricky is now starting to wonder because Tricky didn't know till now what was happening to him because of his sickness. Now slowly he was able to recover and he was able to look around and see where he was and what is happening to him. And on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. On the third day, he began to whimper. Whimper is the small noise which the dog makes, like he starts giving a sound. And when he heard the other dogs in the yard, when he heard the other dogs playing in the yard, he whimpers, he just gives a small noise that shows that even he also wants to join them. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound. So, the doctor now understood that Tricky also wants to move with all the other dogs. So, he opens the door and Tricky trotted. Trotted means he moved slowly. He moved slowly outside and he was immediately engulfed. Engulfed means was completely surrounded. He was completely surrounded by Joe, the greyhound. That is the dog which is there in Dr. Harriet's clinic. Greyhound and his friends. After rolling him over thoroughly, inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. So what they did, they just pushed Tricky and fell over him and inspected him thoroughly. And then they moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them silently with his surplus fat. After these dogs pushed Tricky down and just fell on him and played with him for some time, they moved away. But Tricky was not able to respond to the dogs because he was still not yet fit. He moved slowly with his surplus fat. Surplus over here means heavy. Surplus over here means heavy. Is heavy fat. Fat means here refers to Tricky's body. So Tricky slowly is moving out to see to the garden to see what the other dogs are going to do. He is also getting curious because he is in a different place and he has never seen so many dogs before, and so he is wondering what are these going to do. He is also following them. Later that day, I was present at feeding time, and now it was the feeding time for the dogs. I watched a while. Tristan dropped the food into the bowls, and Tristan, who was the Tristan, who was the helper in doctor's clinic, kept the food for all the other dogs. There was a usual headlong rush. A headlong rush means an immediate rush. When they saw the foods, all the dogs started to run immediately, run quickly. All the dogs started running quickly towards it immediately, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Now, the dogs usually eat fast, isn't it? When we see the dog, we will understand that it eats very fast. So, there was a headlong rush, that is, there was a quick rush towards the food, and the dogs were eating very fast. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he will have some competition for the last part of his meal. So, all the dogs felt that if he doesn't finish his food first, the other dog who finishes his food first will come and take a share from his meal. So, the dogs were very careful that his share should come to him only. He is not going to share his food with anyone. So, each dog were competing with each other to eat very fast. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. And Tricky was just watching silently. And after the dog had finished, Tricky walked around the bowls and just licked in one of the bowls. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. The next day, another bowl was kept for Tricky also, and the doctor was very happy to see Tricky jostling his way towards it, that is, jumping and running. Jumping and running. Jumping and running towards his food. Now, Tricky has understood that in this place, this is the procedure, and he also has to run and take his food. No one is going to come and keep his food for him. The food will be kept, and he is the one who has to rush and take it. Otherwise, the other dogs will eat his share also. Now, Tricky has understood. From then on, his progress was rapid. From that day, Tricky's progress, that is, progress means he started improving his behavior. Therefore, he was very brisk and he was mingling with all the other dogs, and he was very happy with all to stay in the surgery. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly So, from that on, his progress was very rapid. He was improving rapidly, and he didn't have any medical treatment. He was not given any kind of medicine or any kind of surgery or any kind of treatment, but he was only given enough physical activities. And all day long, he ran about with the dogs, joining in all their friendly fights, and he was very happy to be with them. He discovered the joy of being bowled over, trampled down and squashed every few minutes. Now, all the dogs together played, isn't it? And then what happened when Tricky was playing with them? We know how the dogs usually play. They pushed Tricky, they stamped on him, and they just crushed him and all that. That is, tramped means tramped on means being stamped on. And squashed means being crushed. Bowled over means being pushed. So, Tricky was being pushed, stamped and crushed by all the other dogs at the surgery. He became an accepted member of the gang. So, Tricky also was accepted among all the dogs as one of the member of their gang. Fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times. So, Tricky also started behaving in the same way as the other dogs were behaving. Tricky also was fighting for his share during meal time and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He started joining in all the activities which the other dogs were doing. because till now he has not been exposed to such an atmosphere. It's a very lively atmosphere and Tricky is enjoying his life there, and he is participating in all the activities which all the other dogs are also doing. He had never had such a time in his life. So Tricky has never been having such a time in his life. He has never lived a life like this before. All this while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background. Now all this while Mrs. Pumphrey was very anxious. She was waiting anxiously and ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. She was calling doctor at least a dozen times in a day for the latest bulletins. Bulletins means for the latest news. It was like a latest updates which the doctor was giving to Tricky, like how you will get the latest updates on TV. So Mrs. Pumphrey was calling every now and then and asking about Tricky, and the doctor was keeping updating her because she was very anxious to know, as the doctor had told, that he has to be given some treatment. I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly, and the doctor said that Tricky is now out of danger and he is convalescing. Convalescing means that he has recovered from his illness, but he is in the period of regaining his strength. That is, convalescing means you are recovered from your illness is cured, but still you have to regain your strength. He is in the period of regaining his strength. So Tricky was convalescing. He was in the recovery period. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. When Mrs. Pumphrey heard the word convalescing, she was very much disturbed. What happened? She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. Now she started to send eggs, 2 dozen every time, to build up Tricky's strength, because the doctor was saying that Tricky was convalescing, which means that he is in a period of regaining his strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. Now all these eggs what Mrs. Pumphrey is sending is not going to Tricky, but to Mr. Harriet and to all the other members of his surgery. Not that Mr. Harriet is greedy, but he is not giving it in the best interest of Tricky, because he knew what Tricky wanted was not food but enough physical activity. So now the doctor and his companions are having all the eggs what Mrs. Pumphrey is sending for Tricky. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, first she sent eggs and now she is sending bottles of wine to enrich Tricky's blood, to improve Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion. Now slowly Mrs. Pumphrey is sending eggs and then wines, and after that what happened? All this is going to the members of the surgery as well as Mr. Harriet. So the lunch became a ceremonial occasion for them. Ceremonial occasion means it became a very grand event. Lunch became a very grand event for them, because they had eggs, they had lot of wine, rich wine, and also they were very happy and enjoying. 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. So they had wine before lunch and even during the lunch and even after the lunch. They were days of deep content, starting well with extra egg in the morning and finishing luxuriously with the wine. So those were days of deep content. Deep content means deep happiness for doctor and his members of the surgery, because they had extra egg and nice wine to finish their food. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, and the doctor was tempted to keep Tricky as their permanent guest, because they were getting a lot of food and all other enjoyments which Mrs. Pumphrey will give if Tricky is going to be here permanently. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, and the doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey will not bear the separation anymore, and after a fortnight, that is exactly after 14 days, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So he called Mrs. Pumphrey and told that the little dog has recovered. He is fine now and you can come and pick him up. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Once the doctor informed that there was a very big gleaming black metal. Black metal means a very big luxurious car. Gleaming means very bright and shining. Bright and shining. Bright and shiny car. Black metal means it's a luxurious car. Came outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door. The chauffeur is the driver. Opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. The car was so big and Mrs. Pumphrey looked very small in that car. It was, the interior was so grand and Mrs. Pumphrey was was the only person sitting inside the car, and she was very small for the car. So the doctor is saying that he was not able to make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey because it was lost in the grand interior of that luxurious car. Her hands were tight, clasped in front of her. Her hands were very tight. Clasped. Clasped means holding together. She was holding her hands together like this, as if she is praying, and she is very nervous also. She is asking, and her lips trembled. Trembled means she was very nervous, and so she was finding it difficult to talk. Her lips were just shaking. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? And she is asking, Mr. Harriet, please tell me, is Tricky really better? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. And doctor is saying, you please stay inside the car. I will go and bring Tricky. I walked through the house into the garden. The doctor goes into the house and crosses the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, hurtling means playing in a very noisy way. Hurtling means they were running and playing in a noisy way, a very noisy way, round and round the lawn, and in their midst means among them, among all the dogs. In their midst means among them. Ears flapping, flapping means shaking, tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. Now he is saying that among all the dogs was the golden figure of Tricky, which means Tricky was the most handsome of all the dogs which were there. So he was able to make out Tricky very clearly. Tricky stood out from the rest of the crowd because Tricky was very handsome. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a Leith. A Leith is a hard skinned person, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with his pack, stretching out. He was keeping up with his pack means he was equally strong as all the other dogs, and he was cooperating. He was stretching. He was able to stretch his body. Bounce. He was able to stretch his body and do all the rough physical activities which all the other dogs were doing. His chest almost brushing the ground. When he was stretching, his chest almost touched the ground, and Tricky was fit now. He was able to play with all the dogs, equaling their strength. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The doctor slowly carries Tricky to the front of the house to give it to Mrs. Pumphrey. The chauffeur was still holding the car door, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. When Tricky saw Mrs. Pumphrey, he immediately jumped from the doctor's hand. He took a tremendous leap. A tremendous means a very great leap, a very big leap. A very great leap. And he went into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap because he is meeting his mistress after a long time. So Tricky is overjoyed when he sees his mistress, and so he is expressing his affection like that by jumping immediately onto her hand. She gave a startled "oh." Mrs. Pumphrey also was surprised. Startled means she was shocked and surprised. Shockingly surprised. She was shockingly surprised, and she is saying, "Oh, she didn't expect Tricky to behave like this." And then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking and barking. Tricky is continuously showing his affection towards Mrs. Pumphrey. He is licking at her and he is trying to convey something to her by barking, and Mrs. Pumphrey is very much overjoyed. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, and the car started moving away, and Mrs. Pumphrey looked out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Her eyes was filled with tears, and her lips trembled. Her lips were shivering. Trembled means shaking and shivering. Her lips were shivering. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you?" She is expressing her thankfulness to Mr. Harriet. "How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." She is saying, "This is a triumph of surgery. This is a success of your surgery." She is thinking that the doctor has given him some medical treatment, and that's why Tricky is cured. But we know what actually the doctor had done for Tricky. With this, we conclude our lesson, A Triumph of Surgery. This story is a very delightful story which brings out a beautiful bonding between a pet and his mistress. And the doctor proves himself to be a capable and wise doctor by giving the right treatment and saving the dog as well as Mrs. Pumphrey. Thank you, children.